Good morning to everyone. And today's fifth day, I gonna repeat all present tense, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. As I already mentioned in the first session, the tenses are three: present, past, and future. Okay. Okay. So I already clear present about present, but I gonna repeat again so that of course we also can be a practice to each other. Present indefinite, we will use present indefinite if you want to tell to anyone about routine, about habit, universal truth. So we will use present indefinite. Recognizations, as I already mentioned, do or does. If your sentence is simple, so you use subject, after subject you use verb along SOES. If your subject is singular, so you use verb plus SOES. If subject is plural, so no any need put SOES. Just write down subject and plus verb and object. So this is the simple. If your subject is plural or if your subject is singular, so of course with a singular S or ES it's really necessary. Okay, so this is a talk about indefinite habit. Today, I do not go morning walk on Sunday. Okay, universal truth. We will talk about countries. If your work is doing and in the process, you can see in the motion way, like your work is going on, so that's it, and your work is going on in the present sense. Right now, I am teaching to you. Right now, I am thinking about the next sentence. Right now, we are enjoying together. So, whenever you are doing any work, so definitely that sentence is, if your action is going on, so it means that sentence is present continuous. Okay. Helping verb is am, are plus verb of first form along ing. As I already mentioned, is we will use singular, he, she, it, am, I, are, you, like we will use are like with you, we, they and plural. Okay, if your subject, if you have subject is plural, so we will use are only and plus verb of first form ing. Seema is going to market. Okay, Seema is a name. Seema is going to market. Now, if your sentence is negative, so definitely after helping verb we will use not. Okay, my teacher is not giving class. Okay, now sentence is perfect. Okay, present perfect. If your sentence is any work is recently stopped and recently cleared, and so your sentence is present perfect. I want to tell you about the rules and recognizations. Okay, proficient action in recent, in the present or in the present perfect sense, so that is present perfect. I have watched my serial before 30 minutes. My work has completed. I already watched my serial. Okay, I have listened song and I really like English songs. Now we will, I just give you another example. We have completed we have completed work. Okay, now we will talk about present perfect continuous. If your work is going, okay, and your work is going like with the timing, and you don't know, sometimes we also don't know that we are doing like for 2 hours or 3 hours or for like couple of hours, or you can say since 2019. Okay, so when you got the timing, process of the action, with process of the action, so that sense is present perfect continuous. Okay, has, have, plus work of performed. Present perfect continuous, we will use has, had, plus been, plus verb of first form ing, and since or for. Okay, so this is a rule, but since we will use when you know point of the timing, correct time. Okay, so we will use since. Like I just give you example, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. It's point of the timing. Since January, since 2001, since 2019, since I have, since since 2 months. Okay, so since 2 p.m. since Monday, since January, since any year, 1996, 2001, 2019, 2020, anything, whatever you can else, but you have to number of the year. Okay, so this means we will use since. For we will use for timing of period or duration of period. Okay, like you don't know that you are doing work right now. I am teaching to you. I am teaching you, but I didn't notice the timing. What time has done? What time I has started my class? Okay, what time did I start the class? Okay, so it's my I just thinking that I have been teaching for 30 minutes. So this is a 30 minutes. It's a, you can say I am thinking, but I am not sure that I have been teaching to you for 30 minutes. Maybe the time also can be a 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 40 minutes. So but if I have time, if I notice the timing before the class of start, so I also can say I have been having since 1 p.m. Okay, now got that? This is the format. Again, I just repeat you with the formula and with the recognitions. I hope you can understand. Actually, someone is requesting me about the comment sections, and a lot of people also saying to me that, ma'am, please, it's really very helpful for us if you just describe in Hindi as well, grammar especially. So definitely, I do not want to disappoint you to them. Definitely, I gonna tell you in short way of about the rules, and about rules is same, but I just clear to recognition in Hindi as well. Okay,